Good morning and good day. My name is Chris Palmer. Welcome back to another SEO video. In today's video, we will discuss ways to get free content for your website or a way to generate some free articles for your website so you can start getting some maybe links, some content. It'll get you in contact with some other webmasters that are in your niche. That will be in today's video. Let's get into it. So I'm not really going to go into a long, drawn-out process, but there are two things that you can do. Maybe these are thoughts that you have not thought about, thoughts you haven't thought about. Unique ways to generate some content or some articles for your website that are unique and would be free, right? So as you know, you're always looking for pretty much two things. Those two things that you're looking for generally are either write for us or guest post. So the idea here really is if you have a website, right? I'm sure that you do. On your website, you have your main page. Oh, let's put that there. Let's go ahead and get our handy dandy writing utensil. What you will then have is you have your website, you have your normal pages, your contact page, your about us, your this page, and that page, and this page, and that page, right? But what I was thinking, or something that you could do, is generate, right? Create a page on your website that is optimized for keyword plus write for us, or you could use keyword plus guest post or guest post keyword. Really, the main objective here is when you have other webmasters, other SEOs that are out trying to generate links. And this is also a wonderful way that you could get in contact with other webmasters. You could start maybe building yourself a portfolio of people that you can, you're in contact with, create content. Maybe you can post on their website, they post on your website. I'm not saying, do anything against guidelines, of course, but two wonderful ideas that would really help you out is on your website, if you optimize a page, right? You either optimize a page for your keyword plus guest post, or take another page and do keyword plus write for us, or vice versa, right? So this is really the thought that I wanted to give to you, was when you're out trying to generate some free, unique content for your website, or get content for your blog or for your website for free, and also even better, to get you in contact with people that are in the same niche. They know people that know people, and you know people. I mean, really, you're trying to build yourself a small network, and really that's the key with building a online presence, is networking and getting the biggest site that you possibly can that is delivering the best value. Right? So those are the two thoughts that I want to leave you with today to get free content for your website or free content for your blog that's unique. You could do an optimized page on your website that is keyword plus guest post, or you could do keyword plus write for us, or vice versa. Write for us, keyword guest post. But I'm thinking that you get the point. If you haven't thought of this already, this is an absolute wonderful way to generate some complimentary content and also get you in contact with some other webmasters for some free content. I hope this video has brought you some value. I hope that it helps you. If you love SEO like I do, please subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.